Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Julie from Living Large on Lifetime. And today it's time for Fast Food Friday. That's right, we're doing Fast Food Friday and I'm going to KFC for some chicken. You didn't think you could eat at KFC and still stay on plan, did you? Well, guess what? With WW Freestyle, you can eat anywhere, you can eat anything, and yes, you can still stay on plan. So let's go over some options. Obviously, KFC is all about fried chicken. We can have fried chicken if we want to have fried chicken. I am probably gonna stick with grilled chicken, but let's go over the options. Grilled chicken breast is 3 smart points. The regular recipe chicken breast, which is fried, is 9 smart points. A grilled chicken thigh is only 4 smart points. So if you like the dark meat more than the breast, then go for the dark meat. That's the chicken. Now let's talk sides. Obviously, I'm going to have either corn or green beans or both. Corn and green beans are both 0 points, which is a great thing because that means they're not adding any butter, no oil, no nothing. So according to the tracker, both the corn and the green beans are 0 smart points. Coleslaw is, let me find my little cheat sheet here. Right here. Coleslaw is 6 smart points. That's because of the mayo. So I don't know if I would recommend the coleslaw. It's pretty tasty though. Coleslaw is 6 smart points for a side. Mashed potatoes and gravy for an individual serving is 4 smart points. Those are all of the sides. So, oh, biscuit. How did I forget the biscuit? We definitely want to have a biscuit. A biscuit is 6 points. Now to me, yes, that is high, but I love carbs. I love my biscuits. I love bread, so I'm gonna have a biscuit for sure. Let's talk about some options that maybe you don't want to have. You could, you actually could, but these 2 items are really rather high in points. I'm talking about the chicken pot pie and the KFC bowl. The famous bowl is 20 smart points. 20. And the pot pie is 27 smart points. Oh my gosh. So I'm not going to be having those today. I would love to have the famous bowl. I think that somebody actually recommended that I have that. I'm sure it's amazing, amazing, but it's just a little too high in points for me today because I'm also going to have a donut today. Okay, I'm going to go order and I'll show you guys what I have and how I order.
How can I help you?
Hi, can I get, I want to do the $5 box. Do you guys still have those?
We have it at this location for $6.49.
Oh, okay. And is there a way, what exactly does that come with if I do the breast?
Well, the breast, it would be with a side of your choice, biscuit, cookie, and a drink.
Okay, is there any way I can substitute the cookie for another side?
I can give you an extra biscuit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well,
we also have a 2-piece meal that comes with 2 sides and no drink, and that's the same price.
Oh.
Oh, you know what? But you're getting a breast, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be a leg and thigh.
A leg and thigh, okay. Let me just do the 1-piece breast.
Okay.
With,
original, right?
Actually, can I get grilled?
You know what? We don't carry grilled chicken. No, sorry about that. Only original or crispy.
Oh. Dang.
I know.
Let's do original then.
Original, okay. And for your drink and side order, what would you like?
Diet Pepsi.
Diet Pepsi? Okay.
And then can I get green beans?
You know what? We don't carry green beans. We only carry mac and cheese, corn, and coleslaw and wedges.
Okay, I'll do the corn.
The corn, okay.
Yeah.
Did that complete your order?
Yep, that's it.
Okay, go ahead and get to the window. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Holy cow, bummer, bummer, and bummer. I will tell you in just a moment.
Hi, Teddy 7-Eleven.
Okay.
Diet Pepsi?
Yes, please. think I'm gonna get some mustard. Thank you. I love dipping chicken in mustard.
Here's Diet Pepsi.
Thank you. And mustard. Can I get some mustard?
Honey mustard?
No, just regular mustard.
We don't carry mustard.
Oh, you don't? Okay, that's fine then. Thank you. Okay, let's go over this. Okay, that went like way wrong. First of all, the $5 box is not $5 in California. It is $6.49 apparently. With tax was $7.11, I believe. $7.11. Okay, so there's that. Now, they don't carry grilled chicken. They don't carry grilled chicken here. Is that just because of this location, or does KFC not make grilled chicken anymore? Anybody have any ideas? I'm not a super huge Diet Pepsi fan because I do Diet Coke, but I will drink it in a pinch. The cookie thing, I really just wanted another side. Like, are the biscuits so cheap that they can throw in another biscuit but not corn? Green beans? Oh, and they don't have green beans here either. Like, what is going on? So we're gonna have to make some compromises. So what she did is she did give me 2 of the biscuits. The biscuits look fabulous. I love the biscuits here. Looks so good. So I'm going to have 1 biscuit, and then I will probably save the other biscuit for another day. I would rather do that than to be faced with the cookie and have to decide if I'm going to eat the cookie or not. 1 biscuit I can do, and I wouldn't be tempted to have the other one. The cookie, no. The other compromise is the chicken breast. That is the original recipe. 9 smart points instead of 3. So I'm adding 6 smart points to my day that I hadn't planned, but that's okay. We'll compromise there. So I'm gonna have, and then the corn comes in this little, I don't think she gave me a spoon. Okay, how's that gonna work? Oh, here's a spoon. Okay, she's off the hook for that. It's a spork. Okay, so I got corn for 0 smart points, a biscuit for 6 smart points, and the chicken, which is full-on fried chicken with the skin on. Let's taste it. Mmm. Mmm. It's so good. It's juicy. The skin is amazing. I love chicken skin. So you could technically take the chicken skin off, and I think that that would save probably at least 6 points. That's what I would do if I didn't love chicken skin, but I do love chicken skin. So this is very, very good. That is it worth 9 points? Yeah. I wish that, I don't know, it's the combination of the 9 points plus the 6 points, which makes my lunch like really high. But I definitely wanted a biscuit also. So let's taste the biscuit. Mmm. See how that made me smile? The biscuit is so good. Mmm. Okay. Biscuit is totally worth 6 points. Yes. Lastly is the corn. I wonder if the corn is going to be bland because there's no butter on it. But I'm actually thankful that there's no butter on it. Let me set that down. Actually, this is not a spork. Oh, actually it is a spork. Okay then. All right, corn. Mmm. There is no butter on it, but it tastes amazingly sweet, so it's still very, very good. Mmm. Okay. So we've got the fact that the meal was $1.50 more than I expected. There is no grilled chicken. There is no green beans. and we could not substitute the cookie for another side. And they have no mustard, regular mustard. That's 5 strikes, KFC, 5 strikes. What am I having? I'm having a 9 Smart Point chicken breast, regular recipe, 6 Smart Point biscuit, that's 15 points, and 0 Smart Points for corn, 0 Smart Points for the Diet Pepsi. So this is a 15 Smart Point meal for $7.11. I think the meal is a fair value. I would have loved for it to be $5. That would have been definitely a good value. So it's a fair value as far as money. And as far as the points, I'm going to say this is not a wise, this is not my ideal low points WW meal. Is it worth spending 15 Smart Points? Almost. I would rather it be like 9 points, which is what it was going to be. But it's all very good and very tasty. I'm going to enjoy every single bite. So that's it for me for this Fast Food Friday. Let me know where you guys want me to go next. I am so loving Fast Food Fridays. Love to eat, love to review. Everything tastes awesome. Thanks so much for sharing my lunch with me. Bye, guys. Let me just add that was really delicious, really filling, so great value for the money, I guess. But it was also really greasy, salty, and heavy. How do people eat like that every day? Thanks, KFC. Okay,